done. I can't do anything. There's no house. There's no water. There's no food. There's nothing. Am I going crazy? I don't know. I may be going crazy. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Please. Oh my God. We're pleading. We're pleading and we're pleading. Stop this. I'm not mature yet. I'm a child. I'm a child, for God's sake. I'm a child. Ashan Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Rab, wake. Where is the Arab word? Where is the Islamic word? Where are the people? Oh, we're crying and we're crying. We don't know what's going to happen anymore. How am I gonna live knowing that my brother's going to be a martyr soon? How am I gonna live thinking that my brother could die before me when he's younger than me? I don't want that to happen. I don't want to be a martyr because of the bombing. I want my family to know I've been killed. I want them to see that I was killed. So the world knows they are selfish. They are not human beings. I get angry every time. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please stop this.